In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly create a purchase order in Zoho Books. By the end, you will know exactly how to enable the module and send your first order with ease. Let's start by making sure the purchase order feature is turned on. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Preferences and choose General. Find Purchase Orders. Check the box to enable it and click Save. Now head to the Purchases section on the left panel and select Purchase Orders. Click New at the top right to create one. Enter the vendor name to specify who you're ordering from. Then choose where to deliver to, either your organization or a specific customer. Add a unique purchase order number for easy tracking. Set the expected delivery date and select the current date as the creation date. You can also choose a shipment preference like air, cargo or courier depending on your needs. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Save as Draft if you want to edit later, or Save and Send to share it directly with your vendor. And that's it. You just created a purchase order in Zoho Books. Keep following these steps to manage your purchases quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho tutorials.